tell us to go say trick or treat. Come on.
Wait, take a picture. My camera's off.
Say, go tell her.
She's so cute. Look at how cute.
Come on. Say trick or treat. Say trick or treat.
There you go.
Say thank you.
Wait, you let him stand there for a
He's
second.
like, what? Say thank you. You know how to say it. Say thank you. Say happy Halloween. Say trick or treat.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby.
Say hi, baby.
Say hi, baby. He's like, what is that? Why is everyone dressed up? Can you say hi?
Kaden, trick or treat.
Kaden. He's like, all right, this is weird. Say thank you. Do you want to go trick or treating?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Here, you hold your pumpkin. I don't want to hold it. Here, we'll hold it together. Here.
It's so dark. I wish you guys had street lights.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.